Hiring us, it's not just reliability. We're going to stand behind what we do. If there is an issue or a problem, they can feel comfortable that we're going to make it correct. To step them back and let them know that no matter what, we were going to take care of them and get someone to go help them out.
The relationships with our customers are very important. We strive off building relationships from the maintenance standpoint at the beginning, and any service calls that they might need. We are able to keep track of their records, know what's gone on in the past, and be able to make sure we take care of that customer.
The importance of hiring a professional is having the experience and the know-how, the schooling, and the knowledge that goes behind servicing any kind of air conditioner.
I want a customer to know that they can trust us no matter what time of year, what time of day, no matter what situation that they're in, that we've got a company that's equipped to handle their needs.